Metal detectors are fun devices that let you set off on an adventure to find all kinds of buried treasures, minerals, and materials. In this video, we're going to break down the top 5 best metal detectors on the market today. We'll be taking a look at features, functionality, ease of use, and quality of detection to determine which is the best for a particular kind of user. So if you're interested in finding out which metal detector is best suited to you, keep watching. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. First, we have the Bounty Hunter Tracker 4 metal detector, our pick for the best budget metal detector. For a great budget metal detector to get you started on your adventure, the Bounty Hunter Tracker 4 is an excellent model. It isn't the most feature-packed or powerful on our list, but it's a stepping stone into the metal detector marketplace, and a great one at that. The Tracker 4 features a 6.7 kHz VLF detector with 3 modes including all metal mode, discrimination mode, and 2-tone audio mode to find your intended targets. Its 8-inch coil is waterproof for finding submerged items, and the stem is adjustable for different user heights. The easy-to-use panel features sensitivity control, target strength meter, discrimination control, mode switch, low battery indicator, and a 1/4-inch headphone jack. Its multiple search modes allow you to hone in on exactly the kind of materials you want to find, while ignoring items like trash which can read as false positives. It's a metal detector aimed towards beginners or even kids who want to take up the hobby of metal detecting without investing much money up front. However, it's still a feature-packed metal detector that can pick up iron, coins, and even precious metals. Priced under $70, it's a low-cost budget device that can help get you started. Next on our list is the Fisher F22 Weatherproof Metal Detector, our choice for the best entry-level metal detector. The Fisher F22 is unique in the fact that it includes features normally found in higher price metal detectors, such as numerical target ID, 10 levels of sensitivity, iron audio, and adjustable volume for consideration when around other people. This is a great option for those who want something a bit more than what the Bounty Hunter Tracker 4 has to offer in terms of scope and performance. The Fisher F22 weighs 2.3 pounds for ease of use, and its search coil is waterproof for submerged scanning. The control panel features a large numerical readout and includes a mode switcher, target ID readout, an iron identifier icon, and the ability to customize and save settings. The unit is weatherproof for rainy days, and it offers the ability to swap out the search coils for ones that produce different results. The F22 is an entry-level metal detector with a lot of advanced level features for a price under $250, giving it great balance when it comes to cost, versatility, and functionality. It can be taken almost everywhere and can quickly locate the materials you want to find. It's great for anyone who feels a little more confident in getting to know the ins and outs of metal detectors. Up next on the list is the Garrett Ace 400, our choice for the best mid-range metal detector. The Garrett Ace 400 represents a fantastic mid-range metal detector that suits both beginners and experienced users alike. It's a bit more advanced than the previous two on our list, but it's also much more versatile. This metal detector is the best mid-range model on our list, thanks to its 8.5 by 11-inch waterproof search coil, electronic pinpointing with notch discrimination functionality, and adjustable frequency if you happen to be searching with another person by your side. It also features iron audio, which creates variations in audio tones to help you identify potentially unwanted items and avoid them. Digital Target ID lets you identify potential targets through the use of an ID scale that can further help distinguish between materials. It also lets you detach the search coil in favor of a Super Sniper 4.5 inches or 9 by 12 inches Performance search coil for a little more precision. Its control panel is well laid out, intuitive, and easy to use. Priced under $350, the Garrett Ace 400 is a great mid-range metal detector for hunting down metals and treasures, making it great for enthusiasts as well as novices who want a device with more to offer. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like and tell us which product caught your eye in the comments below. Next on our list is the Garrett AT Pro Metal Detector, our pick for the best value per dollar metal detector. The Garrett AT Pro is a 15 kHz frequency metal detector with a great set of functions for enthusiast users. It's easily the best value per dollar option on our list, catering to those who already know what's involved in metal detecting and want a great mid-range tool for their next excursion. The device is waterproof up to 10 feet for more search versatility, which is great for those who live near a beach or riverbed. It features multiple audio modes such as proportional mode and iron audio mode for greater precision and search accuracy so you can narrow down what you're trying to find. The Garrett AT Pro also includes adjustable ground balance where the previous models on our list do not, which is great for detecting targets at different depths. It also includes support for different Garrett coils that can search a wider radius or offer more precise narrow field results. Finally, this metal detector can also pick up gold, which is a plus for a device at this level. This is a metal detector designed for maximum value per dollar at a price point under $550. Its feature set is great for enthusiasts and hobbyists alike, and its advanced features will be appreciated by both. Finally, we have the Minelab Equinox 800, our choice for the best overall metal detector. The Minelab Equinox 800 represents an advanced level metal detector that is loaded with premium features, making it our best overall metal detector on this list. That being said, it's also best suited to the experienced user who knows how to take advantage of everything it has to offer. This detector sports 5 frequencies ranging from 5 Hz to 40 kHz, making it the most versatile on our list, as well as adjustable ground balance, a gold search mode, wireless headphone compatibility, and 6 individual search modes. There's no shortage of versatility for the discerning user. Multi-IQ technology lets the user survey an area with multiple frequencies running at the same time, which is highly advantageous for covering more ground at a faster rate without having to switch frequencies and comb the same area several times. The unit is fully waterproof and can be completely submerged in water, vastly extending its search capabilities. The LCD display is informative and detailed, letting you create your own selection presets, change frequencies, switch search modes, and adjust things like ground balance and volume control. Priced under $900, the Minelab Equinox 800 is best suited for enthusiasts who are looking for a tremendously powerful metal detector and don't mind paying a higher cost for advanced functionality. What it offers in return is a staggeringly powerful set of functions that go beyond the other detectors on our list. Alright guys, that is all for this video. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to know what the best gear out there is, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.